how to download BOF1 Form, CR12, CR2, CR8, and Certificate of Incorporation, among other documents. After your company is registered, these documents are usually saved in your eCitizen account. You can download all your company documents using this process, but today let's focus on the BOF1 form, or beneficial ownership form. This is the form that shows the real owners of a company. Sometimes bank may ask for the BOF1 form to counter tax evasion and other frauds. Today I'll show you how to download them when you need them and you have the time. But if time is limited, contact me through the number below and I'll do it for you at a small fee. First, open eCitizen and log in with your account. Go to the Business Registration Service, or BRS, and log in with your personal eCitizen details and click Proceed. Then click on Make Application and then click the BRS V2. You'll be taken to the new and improved Business Registration Service, or BRS. Sign in and log in with your personal account and click Proceed. Go to Application History and see if there's anything there and click View. If the application history is empty, don't worry. Just click the Business tab and all your business registered in your name will appear. Then click View on your preferred company. Click on Documents and all your company documents will be listed. In this case, we will download a company BOF1 form, but the rest of the company documents can still be downloaded here, ready to be printed. If this video has really helped you, consider subscribing and share with friends. If you need any assistance, don't hesitate to contact us via our contact displayed below. Thank you.